Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
1. Knocking noises when driving over bumps. The struts are solid units that allow the chassis, wheel assembly and body to move cohesively when a bump is hit while driving. If you notice a knocking or clunking sound coming from an area near the front or rear tires, it's most likely due to worn out or broken struts. 12 January 2016.
Let's help you make your mark.
If you don't, the most surefire way is to check under the carriage. Both shocks and suspensions will be located near the tires. Shocks will be vertical and resemble a pneumatic pump. Struts are horizontal and look to be just extensions of the wheels.
Take our lead.
Lots of times, faulty struts that are worn will produce noises that should serve an alert that your strut assembly is declining and needs repair. Drivers speak of bad strut noises that sound like banging, rattling and even clunking sounds. 10 September 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.